caution. We're probably miss it. Not be weirded. Go again.
Working hard. $20 mph. Maybe 25.
This right here is trying to end the train. This right here, clip. This clip is for trying to end the train bike rubber. Yep. Did you get guys? We're gonna end the train bike rubbers. I know something to do. One here. Yeah, guys. And there's the tracks.
There's the tunnel.
Yeah, there's the tunnel.
We're going to be through the tunnel before we get over there.
Driving on Dexter. We're trying to get there. Over that mountain, there's a tunnel for the trains. There's reading click on some videos. But yeah, to know where below it is WAMX. There's a reading of WAMX, so that's a reading. There's canal. The railroad trains used to be Kanawha River Trains, is what it used to be called. But now it's called Kanawha River Railroad. If you was the railroad crossing, we'll have to fly. Man, here's a look through all guys. It's hard to see. A water blast is hard to see. With the water, but it's very wet. Here's the rust, it's very rusty. Here's up on this side, very rusty. Yeah. Get it coming through that tunnel there. Here guys, it's the tunnel. The gate to go down, get a clip of it. Light's gonna do one. they will. What's going on? Wonder if the wet tonic will work. Here they go.
Still get it. Here.
Go look at the gate. Through the lights. That's what in between spice levels again. Why? This looks like a lot. See? Here's where I was. Dawn, look! The water's gone. Just with the well is so wet.
Yep, a little warm.
Yeah. You can't hear a beat. Just with the well, it's catching again. What? Sleep twin. Yes. What one is it?
CSX.
Huh. There's a CSX train right over the other one on the other side. Huh. You can hear it pretty good from there. That's not this road, this is the different one. Look at that. Western Colonies. I didn't know what that bill was. Jeez. Oh, that's a bad spot.
Well, they put it together.
No, wait, look how bad. What
They're
happened?
welded together.
Huh?
That's where they weld it together.
What, they welded it there?
Somehow they do it.
Do you send the train just gets out further? But here's the wheel. When the train comes on the main track, the train's going over this. There's the wheel there. But then I'll also give you a look at the wheel where the train is not going. The world's best Dalton. Walk up here. Walk up here by this point. See the point? See what all the tractors together? Just right here. Right there. Okay. Here's a look at the road the train is going there. That's where the train is going. Here's a look at the road the train ain't going. This is where the roads all get together. Here's a look at the road where the train ain't going. Here's the road again where the train ain't going down this way. Where's the weld spotted? Where's that weld spot? Oh, yeah. It is. And there's where the train is going. Any moment, there will be action. You can hear that thing make noise. Like that soon. That's cool. So the CSX will catch that with some other time, but since we have the train coming, it's fine. Yeah, here we go.
I'll wait the video.
Action. Hope he gets out before I get. I mean, I hope he gets out and just switch. Here it comes. Cool. I will hope he gets to switch. Yours. gonna turn the spotlight on in a minute. Get in the change place. Oh, that's good. Can you hear it?
No, because the tracks break right there. You probably can on this one.
You can hear it on there. Can you? Can all whip away on April Fool's Day. Huh, mechanic? Pretty cool. Guys, stop down there. It's cool. Made noise a lot. The metal pieces here. Okay, mechanic, what? What?
When your video's done.
Where's the dent? There's the dent. There's shiny. Does it look like two tracks come together? There's shiny. But yeah. Ah, where's the train coming? I better get ready. No, wait, no, there ain't. April Fools. So watching Trains of Cutter Production. Everyone was Cutter. Enjoyed that April Fools. The train's back to the spot.